Hello viewers, we are back with another video and hope you are doing great. Welcome back to our channel Techno. So guys, imagine creating a cinematic AI videos in just a few minutes without advanced editing skills, expensive softwares or even a powerful VC sounds crazy, right? So well, today I'm going to show you a Pipet AI powered by Seedance 2.0, one of the newest AI video generation tools that can turn simple text prompts into an image professional looking video. So as in this video, I'll explore its features, test an AI generation quality, and see whether it's actually worth using for creators, marketers, or beginners in 2026. So guys, before starting the video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon to get our notification from more videos. And guys, this video is only for an educational purpose. We are not divine advisors, so always do your own research first and then invest. Now guys, we have to move forward to the project. So guys, here is the website. That name is Pipit AI, and that is powered by Seedance 2.0. So I will show you their model Seedance 2.0 already working there, and that is a very amazing thing. So first of all, what exactly Pipit AI? Pipit AI is an all-in-one content creation platform powered by CapCut. It helps users create videos, marketing content, AI, visuals, product ads, avatars, and social media content much faster using AI tools. So one of the best highlights in this integration that Seedance 2.0, our next generation's AI video model by guys. Seedance 2.0, the model can generate a cinematic, multi-short videos directly from a text prompts or images while keeping the character style and emotion consistent throughout the video. So by honestly, the result looks guys, supremely good. So guys, now we can talk about their features as well. They are doing amazing and a great thing. First of all, guys, if we talk about their features, first of all, guys, a sport text to video and image to generation simply describe your scenes and get the AI create full cinematic video. So, guys, if you give a prompt to them, if you want a video, anything like that, so you have to put the prompt there, like we have to put a prompt like. So guys, we have gave a prompt to them. Simply we can click on generate. So let's see how they provide us the video. So simply guys, you can click on the generate button if you want a image, if you want a video, or which models you want. That is Pivot Pro is already there. The Seedance 2.0 is one of the greatest there. Simply guys, you can click on the generate button. The summary, guys, show, and if you want a new video that will be provided to you as well. So guys, I will add my video here that generated I before, and that is one of the very amazing things. Second, it's sport multiple short storytelling. That means instead of generating one static clip, it can generate connect scenes, the camera movements and the transactions. So another cool feature is a style and emotions control. You can adjust the mood, pacing, cinematic feeds, and the camera angles, and even the movement instantly of your scene. So also support multiple aspects, a ratio like 16 to 9 and a YouTube. 916 shorts or video clip that squares format for a social media. So guys, how we can simply use it. First of all guys, we talk about once open a Pipet AI, you can simply go to the video generator sections. You can simply guys open it. So before that, you can simply create your account there. That is guys a simple process. Then guys, after putting that, you can check out the solutions there like video generator, AI video generator, design AI, avatar, different kind of things are there if you want a product. So as you can simply AI video generator, all design, avatar is also giving there, and you can check out the sources as well. There are multiple sources are providing to them. So you can check out the models they are providing. So that is the amazing thing. So for example, a futuristic guys, super pink city in a night of a cinematic camera movement, add neon lightning. Then choosing the Seedance 2.0 after the select your video durations language, you can guys, aspect ratio. Now guys, you can simply click on the generate button here. And what's interesting is that Pipit allows additional editing after generating. You can modify scenes, change pacing, replace objects, and everything is provided to you. So that is the amazing thing here provided by Seedance 2.0. So guys, overall the Pipit with the Seedance 2.0 looks a very powerful AI video creations platform for 2026. So it's combined a video or text to a video and different kind of videos as well. So as if you enjoyed our video, guys, let's make a like and subscribe to this video, and we will meet in the next video with a great platform. So guys, in the last video again, this video is just for educational purpose. Before joining, you have to do research first and then invest. Now as we have to meet in the next video, goodbye.